Today we had our second round of trilateral meeting. And my brothers and sisters, I want to share with you, without going into any details, that this trilateral meeting was most productive and most inspiring in terms of what we discussed and what we are going to coordinate between the three brotherly countries in times to come. Inshallah, today the flags of three brotherly countries fluttering in this beautiful, serene place of Lachin goes to explain in volumes that these flags together will fly higher and higher, and inshallah together we will march towards the path of progress and prosperity.